Hello, student and beginners. My name is Vibhor Srivastava. I am an Oracle Apex developer. Today, I am discussing about how to create a validations. So, why validation is very important in your applications. So, at this time, I am not creating the validation. At this time, what is the drawback? When I click to this home page, row created. So at this time, my data is blank. Okay, no patient name, no mobile name, no eligibility status. So this is a wrong method. So what to do? Firstly, when you will go to a home page, and it's up to our requirement. Suppose that I need patient name is very requirement in your home page. Okay, mobile name, patient name. So create two validations, and item is not null, and select the patient name. Okay, and like, please enter your patient name and patient name. Okay, so one page item is completed. Second, mobile number. Mobile number item is not null, and choose the mobile number, and please enter your mobile number. Okay, save. Now I am going to check. Okay, when I click it, so two errors have occurred. First, please enter your patient name. Second, please enter your mobile number. When I click it, patient name, so automatically patient name option will be open when I click it. So okay, so with the help of, you can go to your correct column, patient name, like mobile name randomly. Okay, like, so at this time when I typing to this mobile number, so automatically increasing a more than 10 digit, 1 2 3 4, how to can handle it. Okay, so go to mobile number, and go to maximum let, like 10, save. At this time your mobile number, the digit will be stable. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so with the help of validation, and with the help of maximum length parts, so you can handle it. So when I create this form, so see, before, this is a form number. Okay, so with the help of validation, you can manage the form and report. Okay, thank you so much.